Hi, welcome to this quick update on BTC. So we're just going to have a look at the price section of BTC. Not more really much has happened. We're still back in the same zone as we was like a week ago. We're struggling to break above this value area high and to reclaim that for a continuation up. We attempted so many times over the weekend, yesterday, and also last week as well. We can see that there. Now, if we can't get over this value area high, it's more likely we're going to come and test this POC and come all the way back down to fill this volume profile range that we're in. But there is a few scalp trades available on BTC. And we'll just go to lower time frame. And we can see that the more times we actually test this zone here, which is the value area high, the more likelihood that we're going to actually break above this. But we're not there at the moment. I personally think that we are going to head lower because there's a lot of bid support underneath us. But how we get there is a different story. We may come back up and test some levels, which I'll bring up on the screen. So we have our daily VWAP here. So there is a mean reversion trade currently at the moment. And if we do reclaim previous day low and reclaim this VWAP, there's a good chance we can come and test the weekend highs and also PD high as well. But we need to flip this as support. So the moment we actually flip that as support, preferably on I would say a daily time frame, is when we can look for higher prices. So very good, nice trade here to continue higher. Small stop loss, but that's only if you reclaim this level on a daily basis. Until then, this is just hopium. We do have a naked point of control below us, so I will be looking for a trade here into the VWAP or possibly higher. So that's one long position. And I'm also looking for a hedged short. And that short is going to be the rejection of PDEQ, because we do have some single prints in here as well. And to take that lower. So I'm looking for a hedge short as well. Well, it depends what New York does. Now, looking at the inflows, we did have some inflows on Friday. So that's a good thing. But I do think that this move here is being engineered. And we have a lot of earnings this week, which could be good earnings, which could send all the stock market up, and BTC will follow. So those are some trades that I'm looking for. There's another trade available as well, and that's going to be the most obvious trade, which is if we do come back down to the 61.5 level, there's a trade there as well. The only short, like I said, will be there because if we do break above here, then it's more likely we're going to come and take these highs and let's just go to a higher time frame, and these highs as well. But when we're looking at scalp trades, day trades, there's been plenty of trades in this zone. This just, you can make a lot of money in this zone. I want to show you very quickly. So these trades that were taken yesterday, $600 there. Same on Pionex, another Pionex trade, another BTC trade, another Pionex trade. So these were actually done yesterday in the Asian session, and this was done without looking at the charts. So this is a new AI system that I have, and I'm testing with a few traders at the moment. Will be released to the public soon. probably in a week's time. And there was a video coming out on this as well. And we can see that it's very, very good, this AI, because it works on Orderflow. So it actually works on Orderflow, and it covers BTC, covers also altcoins as well. If we have a look at the, let's just have a look at this setup here. Let's click on this attachment, see why. So look, direction bullish. That was the price that we were currently at. Tells you about the levels, trapped longs, trapped shorts, longs, in who's in control. That's what we need to know. It was a scalp position. There was your entry. And there's your exit. 65.1. This is done live, by the way. This is done live, so it's actually done very. It's not given. It's not a pre-trade. It's done actually live. It was given live at the Asian session, and we can see our entries are very, very close to that. Multiple entries. You can see here there's multiple entries and the exits. So there is actually a couple of videos I'm doing on this. We are tweaking up a few things because there's also the AI monitoring system as well, which I'm going to do a separate video on. And this is available in all languages, Chinese, Spanish, etc. Now, if you want to join the Discord, it's very easy to join the Discord. It's free at the moment. You can go over to Pionex, links in the description below. Deposit your trading funds. There's no minimum amount, there's no maximum amount. Links in the description below, and we'll let you in. And also, if you want to be trading on Blofin, we can let you into the Discord as well. Now, in the Discord itself, we do have courses in there, and I do teach Orderflow free as well. And a few traders are in there currently at the moment testing the AI system. I don't want to say too much about that at the moment, but there is a separate video coming out on that. Now, if you are trading on Blofin, they are doing a fantastic offer. So deposit 100, get 20, deposit 500, get 100, deposit 1,000, you get 200 futures deposit bonus. You also can make use of our AI system, which is in beta testing at the moment. And I'm just tweaking it as we're getting feedback from the traders. But it's quite an intelligent system. It's work based on Orderflow, my own Orderflow software, which I will be releasing later on this year as well. It's like I said, I don't want to say too much about that at the moment. Um, that's a separate video coming out sometime this week. And if you want to be trading on Pionex, they're doing up to $1,000 deposit bonus. Go and check them out. Links in the description below. There is a video coming out this week on futures trading bots and some custom strategies that are built that will be available inside that Discord as well. Let's get back to the TA, shall we? Right, okay. So let's just have a quick look at order flow. Okay, so we do have, let's just flip that like that. So we have some imbalances above us, okay. There's also a single print here as well. Poor low we have over here, have some poor highs as well. Let's just bring this out. So we've actually lost that value area low. We're actually sort of bouncing off it. That was from Saturday. But let's just have a quick look at the weekend lows where they are. Friday. Snapped on those. Okay, so we did actually take them. But we also have this low here, which is a poor low. So it's quite obvious price can come back down here as well. And then the other level, and if we have a look at that, that's going to be 62.7. Right, what was that? That was 62.5. Okay, so the value area low is 62.7. Okay, and that's also with this naked point of control list and this point of control as well. So there is a possibility we can come back up, retest for a continuation, lower. So we'll be taking my game plan is very, very simple, and it's order flow dependent. See a rejection here. I'm going to take a short all the way down there. Because currently I am long at the moment from a lot lower, but I'm also looking for another long as well. But I want to be hedged against two of my longs that are from one. I think one long is from 60,600, and the other one is from 59. And obviously, I've been scalping as well, so, because that's the smartest thing to do. You scalp the ranges, and then you can buy Bitcoin when it's cheaper. So there you go. Now, if you want to learn how to use Orderflow, there is a course in the Discord free, but I do teach it. I do a monthly webinar as well, but you need to be trading on Blofin or Pionex to get access to that Discord. Okay, so single print here, we can come back up to fill that. In fact, what I'm probably gonna do, oops, sorry, is I probably will, yeah, just taking a long position at the moment, very small position, take it up. I haven't added a stop loss because I'm monitoring the position itself. So that's all I have for you today, guys. It's a bit of a messy situation. You can see clearly we're developing our M formation. We are going to come back probably and take out all of this liquidity. So quick scalp up to the VWAP, possibly PD high, scalp short to take out this liquidity here. Once you take that liquidity out, we'll see what the price does on order flow. Are we basing out? Are we going to get buyers in? What type of order flow does it look like? Don't blindly just take long positions and give signals like that. I rely on order flow. I personally think that we will come back down into this region here. It's just that I don't think it's just going to drop down. I think it'll go up, trap some long positions for a continuation lower. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I'll still be in profit on this trade. You always got to have a game plan, and it is order flow dependent. Order flow changes everything. Right, so that's all I have for you guys today, because I've got a couple other videos coming out today, and more importantly about the AI system that I have built and some softwares that can help us trade and navigate through these Tetris markets. Peace out.